Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a fun chili pepper. All right, let's get started. Let's start with our chili pepper. I'm going to start in the middle of my paper, and I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves out, and then back in and out. And then I'm going to jump back up top here, and about the same place where we started the other line, we're going to scoot over about here, draw another curved line going down, and it's going to connect to the bottom to make our pepper. Next, let's draw our pepper's hat or sombrero. I'm going to start over here on the left, and we're going to make a line that goes across like this, and we want it to be a big hat. So I'm going to start over here. It's going to curve around and back up. All right, now let's jump over here to the left, and we're going to draw a line that's slightly curved, and it's going to connect right there. And now to draw the top of the hat, we're going to start, you see where the pepper kind of ends right there? We're going to go up right about here, and we're going to draw a kind of a rounded triangle shape. And then let's draw the back of the hat. So I'm going to start here on the left, draw a line that connects to the triangle, pick up your pencil, and then put it down right there and continue it to close it. And you can decorate this hat any way that you want. I'm going to add some fun curvy lines. And then I think like a little wavy line right there. And then for the front, I'm going to draw little triangle shapes. Perfect. All right, now pause the video if you need to catch up, and if not, let's keep going. I'm going to give my chili pepper a face. One eye, I'm going to draw a circle, then a smaller circle inside for the highlight. And then for the other eye, I'm going to make my chili pepper wink. So how we do that, it's almost like a sideways V. And then a simple little smile. I think I might add some extra details to my hat. I'm going to jump up top here and make little tassels that come off the hat. So it's like a triangle and then little lines in it, like that. So a little line down, triangle, and then lines in the middle. And let's do one more. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our drawing looks amazing. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.